24/7 streams have been gaining favor with YouTube's algorithm because they compound watch time and steadily convert casual viewers into subscribers. Here's how a woodworking and DIY channel added a single always-on stream to its strategy and what happened next. Meet Lesnoy, detailed builds, upcycling, and creative home projects with a well-established audience and consistent interest in long, process-driven content. In March 2025, the channel added one always-on live stream as a new content layer. The goal was to keep viewers continuously engaged without cannibalizing the main video library. Setup and scheduling ran on Gyre. Stream structure and optimization were tuned using real-time analytics. Over the first 2 months, the live stream generated approximately 1.15 million views, 6% of channel views, delivered 260,000 watch hours, 10% of total, and added approximately 2.1 thousand new subscribers. Average view duration reached 13 minutes and 30 seconds versus 8 minutes and 30 seconds on video on demand. It also added a few $1,000s, approximately 5% of monetization. These are additive gains that lifted visibility without disrupting uploads. The live stream contributed 610,000 views, 144,000 watch hours, driving approximately 1,100 new subscribers with an average view duration of 14 minutes. The AVD gap is the early signal that sessions are deepening and background viewing is becoming a stable behavior. The live stream added approximately 540,000 views and 117,000 watch hours, bringing in 1,000 new subscribers with AVD at approximately 13 minutes, while overall video on demand AVD stayed under 9 minutes. Reach widened, AVD normalized slightly, and performance remained well above video on demand. Focus on 4 cells in the content type table: views, watch time hours, average view duration, and subscribers. In this case, all 4 move together. Higher AVD drives deeper sessions. Deeper sessions compound watch time. Watch time plus steady presence improves visibility. Visibility plus long sessions converts into subscribers. The satisfying rhythm of builds makes for unusually sticky background viewing. The stream has utility for creators and hobbyists who leave it on while they work. A continuous loop captures time zones that scheduled uploads can miss. One well-built, always-on stream scheduled with Gyre becomes a standalone growth engine. It lifts visibility, deepens watch sessions, and adds incremental revenue without stepping on your upload schedule. Set up and schedule with Gyre. Design the stream as themed blocks with seamless transitions. Iterate order, pacing, and metadata from live analytics. Pin a concise call to action in the description and chat so long sessions convert. Keep loop seams invisible and transitions tight to minimize drop-offs. Avoid heavy mid-flight metadata rotations that can reset learning. The 2-month run shows approximately 1.15 million views, 260,000 hours, 2.1 thousand subscribers, 13 minutes and 30 seconds average view duration versus approximately 8 minutes and 30 seconds on video on demand, and a clear signal that the stream is additive rather than cannibalistic.
What's Gyre? Gyre is the tool for launching continuous streams on YouTube. Learn more about Gyre in the following videos. See you there.